Here we go again with BlackRock. But this time it's a record-breaking high. But Ethereum ETFs are not what I have in mind. There is something even more important. A horrible tragedy occurred just as Lucy was getting into the growing excitement. The most recent events involving Coinbase and US authorities, something that is receiving insufficient attention, may be the cause of Shiba Inu's worst week ever. But what is actually going on? Additionally, what is the reason for our concern? Sure, I'll make a proclamation. Here, wealthy coin, we hope you enjoy your daily dose of Shiba. Inquisitive minds seeking answers regarding Shiba will find what they're looking for here. Sign up now if you want to be abreast of all the newest predictions and news in the cryptocurrency market. Make sure to hit that like button to get more SHIB news. This week was a watershed moment for Ethereum when the NTS was formally introduced, but yesterday something far more important happened. With Bitcoin, BlackRock was raking in the dough while everyone else was worried about Ethereum ETFs. Its finest performance to date was on Monday, when it received an incredible $500 million. This growth shows that more and more people are interested in and confident in investing in Bitcoin. The substantial market impact of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has been demonstrated by its over $20 billion in managed assets. The growing confidence in Bitcoin and the growing interest in digital assets by institutions are both shown by this achievement. Despite Bitcoin's tendency for volatility, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink is optimistic about its future and has compared it to gold as a valuable portfolio diversifier. By drawing parallels to gold, this article demonstrates how Bitcoin, like gold, may protect investors from more traditional market risks, flows into exchange-traded funds that invest in Bitcoin all on the same day. This deluge shows how popular Bitcoin is becoming. Also, this is great news for Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrency. BlackRock's ETF has hit a new record high, which is not unexpected considering that Bitcoin ETFs made millions on Monday. At 67% of the spot Bitcoin IVF market share, up from 61%, their iShares Bitcoin Trust has achieved a notable milestone. This record-breaking result is proof of the widespread enthusiasm for Bitcoin and BlackRock's market domination. The Bitcoin community is experiencing a dynamic period because to the anticipated enthusiasm of the conference and BlackRock's exceptional figures. The $1.2 billion daily trading volume of BlackRock remains unchanged, notwithstanding this remarkable achievement. Because of this regularity, it's possible that other Bitcoin ETFs are experiencing a drop in activity compared to BlackRock. BlackRock's extensive distribution network, stellar reputation, and clever marketing strategies have put it in a great position. Competing ETFs are finding it difficult to keep up with BlackRock's rapid growth, which indicates a possible shift in the competitive landscape. Despite Ethereum's one-of-a-kind possibilities and challenges, BlackRock's previous success with Bitcoin ETFs makes it a solid foundation for their new venture. They have proven themselves capable of managing large ETs and drawing large investments through their work with Bitcoin. Things started to go horribly wrong at this moment, have just landed. A substantial Bitcoin transaction occurred on Coinbase Prime. The United States government transferred about $4 million in Bitcoin to Coinbase Prime. Notable about this development is the growing involvement of the government in the Bitcoin industry. The entire Bitcoin business might be impacted by these kinds of moves, which could change market sentiment and liquidity. It stresses that new dangers and dynamics could emerge in the Bitcoin market due to external factors like government actions, even while institutional investors like BlackRock are making strides. Nevertheless, what transpired? A criminal whose assets were frozen by the dog recently had Bitcoin sent to Coinbase Prime. But why did the US government choose to send its Bitcoin to Coinbase? In most cases, selling Bitcoin is the intended outcome when sending it to an exchange. The market is further muddled by the absurdity of the government holding over $14 billion in Bitcoin. The Coinbase Prime membership. So what's going on? Is a massive clearance sale about to happen? There is speculation that a temporary drop may occur before any potential price hikes, despite the fact that many think that the launch of Ethereum ETFs will lead to price increases. The latest downturn in the cryptocurrency market may be caused by similar fears even. With the launch of Ethereum ETFs, potential sell-offs or market collapses in Germany are understandable concerns for investors considering the country's volatile market history. This might explain why, despite a good event on the horizon, the Bitcoin market is currently trending downward. Despite all the anxiety and turmoil in the market right now, there may be a bright side. Shiba Inu's development team anticipated that this would mark the start of an exciting cryptocurrency season. Lucy, who specializes in social media marketing for the Shiba Inu team, took to Twitter to convey some positive vibes among Shiba owners and enthusiasts. With an inspiring and hopeful tone, she urged everyone to stay up to date in her message. Lucy thinks the market volatility we're seeing right now is only transitory and that cryptocurrency season might be around the corner. This upbeat strategy will invigorate the Shiba Inu army and raise morale as they look forward to what's to come. Lucy, the Shiba team's marketing specialist, is absolutely thrilled about the upcoming Ethereum EDs. In addition to being great for Ethereum, she thinks the Shiba Inu coin has promise. After posting a promotional film for their new Ethereum ETF, Lucy made the comment that BlackRock had released an Ethereum ETF video for investors. For Shiba Inu, this is a wonderful new development with the potential to bring many benefits. Lucy predicts that once 11 Ethereum ETHs begin trading, there will likely be a cryptocurrency mania. This adjustment is expected to have a positive impact on several cryptocurrencies, including those within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as Shiba Inu, Bone, Leash, and others. Expect a major cryptocurrency season, according to Lucy's enthusiastic letter, which suggests that big things are on the horizon for Shiba Inu and the altcoin market as a whole. Analysts have given some promising predictions about Shiba Inu, so the good news keeps rolling in. The price of a Shiba might increase by much 1,600%, with a range of 3% to 3%, according to a new Forbes prediction. Many people are talking and becoming excited about this prediction in the Bitcoin community. Forbes' most recent analysis delves into the possibilities of Shiba Inu in the long run by tracking its price trajectory from now until 2030. There has been a small drop of 8% in weekly performance for Shiba Inu recently. Regardless, Shiba is still worth more than $10 billion on the market. Forbes gives Shiba Inu a positive review, highlighting the coin's huge development potential and adding to the positive sentiment surrounding it. The future is bright for Shiba and the cryptocurrency industry thanks to all these notable advances. Although the predictions are undeniably fascinating, another expert is more cautious, suggesting that the price increase could not be as big as others have predicted. Regardless of your stance, you must remember that cryptocurrency investments may be fraught with risk. Things are going to get interesting, though, because of the positive perspective, the growing interest in Shiba Inu and other dogs, and Lucy's support for the thought that changing seasons might be here. As a result, people gain self-assurance, which could lead to a flood of new backers. On the other hand, what do you think about that? Post a remark down below. I eagerly await your feedback. That was yesterday. Make sure to give it a strong recommendation. Subscribing and sharing will take you to our most current videos.